Hello, viewers. Thanks for watching Success Stories. And Sri Ram Kumar here, and from Sri Learning. And this is a beautiful evening where I was able to get an appointment from Anusha, who cleared PMP. She's very busy. Of course, working days is not easy to catch up. So now she cleared PMP on October 1st, and we're going to talk how she did, how things went on. I'm sure she's with the family and corporate life. Every side, each other side will keep pulling. I used to tell that once you grow a certain age, your time is not yours. Somebody will take your time, right? In between, you have to manage and get yourself your growth. For that, you cannot tell, no, no. Once I get free, I will do. That will happen at the age of 58, 58, 60. By the time life will be almost gone. So, good thing she did it. First thing, congratulations, Anusha, for this achievement.
Thanks, Sriram.
Great. So you'll see her certificate. Here it is. This is Anusha on October 1st. She got certified. It's valid for 3 years. And then again, she'll renew it by giving some PDUs. And she'll continue her certification, keep going. So now, Anusha, just give little background about yourself, then we'll go for a certification.
Yeah, sure, Sriram. Actually, I'm a mechanical engineer. So I have a total 11 plus years of experience, and I started my career with the design and development team. So I think from past 2.5 years, I'm into this project management. So that's where the trigger happened, wherein I wanted to go for a PMP. So I work for an MNC, and or like I get involved into product development side. I mean, I'm currently managing a product project executions for aero products, healthcare sensing products. So this is actually we follow the waterfall methodology, like completely predictive. So I wanted to understand more about agile also. So that's where it triggered, like, so
Oh,
everywhere we know that the trend is now going from predictive to agile.
okay.
So that's where I thought I will start from PMP. Then I'll know agile methodologies also. I'll understand more, and also the PMP also gives a lot of good practices, uh, what we can implement in my day-to-day life, right? So that's where I thought I will, yeah, go for PMP certifications. Yeah.
That's interesting. That's interesting, actually. So now, as you thought you want to learn Agile, were you able to learn it?
Yes, Sriram, because I didn't know anything about it. I can say before joining the class. I think after joining the class, when you started explaining, that's where I understood, like, okay, that is how it is. This is how the agile is. Like, what is the role defined in that? So all that I learned a lot. So,
Oh,
and your explanations were so good that it is deep inside my head now. Even though I myself have not practiced it, I could understand a lot of things there.
nice. Good to know. Good to know. And now tell me, reading this, are you going to apply some portion of it in your corporate life? Anything usable?
The PMP you're saying, or the agile,
Agile
the both?
concepts. I know
Yeah, yeah.
things, but are you able to take any one portion of it or try something there?
Yeah, definitely. On the people manager side, what the PMP says, that you have to be a servant leader and all that, it is a
You
good
got
thing
it.
to implement and get people's trust at you, right? So it's
Okay.
good.
Nice. You got the terminology, servant leadership, all went inside.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Definitely.
I like that. I like that. Super good. Super good. Great. So now I know you come from predictive work nature. What I'm hearing is busy. I believe family side also busy, backed up.
Yes.
Now you managed to read books, and what book you read?
I just followed what you said, Shriram. One time Rita and one time Agile Practice Guide. That's what I could manage to read. So nothing more than that. And what I was doing is all the question, daily questions, whatever was being posted in the group, that I was reading, and wherever the reference was given, I was going back and referring to the PMBOK.
Okay.
Apart
Okay.
from that, whatever your directions, I've just followed that.
Nice and simple. Made life simple and not need to complicate.
Yes, yes, yes.
Because we have people who do good amount of research.
Correct, correct.
You say one book, they'll ask why not that book. So okay, go. If you have time, if you have energy, please read. But again,
Correct.
sometimes limited is enough. Too much also is headache of kind of thing. Okay. So now,
Correct.
how is the exam planned? Were you planned on a home based or you want to go for a center based?
I did home based only, online proctored exam only. I did. Yeah.
Usually the proctor is little worries. How is it for you? Was it smooth?
It was first half was okay. My proctor looked very good to me, but then I think second half actually I just took a break and came back, and suddenly I'm getting a message saying that we saw that you just referred a PMBOK guide or some document they mentioned. I was
Ah,
literally worried. I was reading the question in between this chat popped up. Then I think I said no. That's it. Then they didn't say anything because I was sitting. I just got up from my seat and just walked, but I didn't have any material or anything because they even asked me to show the full room, right? So I don't know how that thought came to them. So that's one thing, little I was shaken by hearing that. How did this happen? How did they say that?
this is
But
new, right?
then, yeah, correct. But then it was maybe they wanted to just, I don't know, maybe they wanted to test me.
Make you a little more alert.
Yeah, maybe.
Okay, that's crazy. That's crazy. They're telling me this book you read.
Yeah, correct. I mean, I'm like, how is that possible? I think, yeah, I remember now the syllabus, exam content outline you have referred is what they've told. So I don't know how is that possible.
You could have said it's inside my brain. Yeah, keep referring.
No, I just said no and I moved on because the time pressure was also there, right? So
No need to have a chat with these guys. Okay,
yeah,
how was the
I think
exam?
apart from that, I think I have a habit of reading little bit loudly, not so loud, but I mean they could hear me through the microphone, I believe. So for that also I got a warning. I think that happened in the second half only. After one warning and another warning, you're reading too loudly. That's not allowed. Okay, I'll not read. I said, and I was quiet. Yeah, this is the only two thing I would want to highlight. Which happened unexpected actually.
Nice, nice. Yeah, people have to be a little careful because the reading is a problem, right? When a question goes very tense, we cannot
Correct,
be in
correct.
the mind. We have to read loud.
That's
That
correct.
happens. So, how was the exam for you generally? Was it moderate, tough? How do you felt?
Exam was moderate, Sriram. And also maybe because we do a lot of mocks, so that ability to understand the question comes, I believe. Because I remember when I started with the Sri learning mocks, right, the first day when I took it, I took lot of time to read the question, because when I read one portion of the question, when I move to the next portion of the question, I used to forget what I read. So because it was after very long time I had started reading, right? So that used to happen. But slowly I got used to that, because that reading habit, I mean, I used to read a lot before the books, everything, but in between I had lost the touch. And after this mocks questions, when I was reading, so I used to forget things, I would say, while reading the questions. But I think as we practice this mocks, right, I feel, I think it that will really help you. I mean,
True,
help
true.
anybody who's planning for the exam.
I
Yeah,
think yeah, that's the reason we put this weekly test. I think weekly test also gives some confidence to see people how they're answering, what they
correct,
do. You have
correct,
a
correct.
discussion, a pair set of people, right? That's interesting. So good. So now, book-wise Rita, Agile Practice Guide, and how many practice exams you took?
Relearning every week I was taking. After apart from that full mock, I think yeah, that also same as you said. One mock relearning, then study hall, then relearning, then study hall. Yeah, all of them I took.
Five, five exams you did.
Yeah, that's
Main
correct.
exam into proctor based. And how was the time management in the main exam? You were able to completely do that within the time.
Yeah, I think just before 2 or 3 minutes I could complete it. Yeah,
Okay,
just on time.
that's nice. I believe no math questions are there.
Yeah.
Question, questions, did you find little lengthy or moderate? How was it?
Some questions were lengthy, and I think math wise, there was one question, I think, just about CPI, SPI calculations.
I said,
But I think, yeah, you don't even need to use a calculator for it, only that was it.
correct, correct, good. So I think after the exam, I felt a bit relieved, all over and relaxed. You can focus on the
Yeah,
work.
Yeah, definitely. Weekends, I got my weekends back.
The all-time pressure, right? Oh man, I
Yeah.
have to clear the exam.
Yeah, correct. And also more than that, we'll have the fear because I've spoken to people about their experience in PMP. Like people have always discouraged me saying that, oh, that you can't clear in one attempt. It's going to be too difficult. So all that fear will be there. So that's how that's something
Okay.
like when you clear it. So it is like, okay, I've completed now. So that feeling is really
You
great.
Can you notify them? Man, I'm done. Everybody.
Yeah.
Yeah, they'll
Okay,
be,
how did you clear? And also, I mentioned that about target.
oh man. They'll be, wow, what happened? Ooh, how we did it?
Yeah. I mean, most of the people whom I shared with, they were surprised, like how you could clear in first attempt, and that too with the. I think I started the classes from July. Before that, I've never studied PMP. So from that, I think I cleared on October 1st. So they all felt it was too early. I did.
Mhm.
Though my plan the first day when you asked to write the exam date, right? So that I think a month before what I completed, I had targeted for I think beginning of September. But
Uh-huh.
still,
From
yeah, after
October
a month,
1st.
yeah,
That's
October
fine.
1st I could clear.
At least having a target makes us to move, right?
Correct. Yeah,
It gives
definitely.
a mindset. Oh, okay, I have to go for the exam. It's not just for the class. I'm coming here. I'm coming for exam.
Correct. Yeah.
That's a bit. Are you able to manage to listen the classes because the work schedule looks pretty tight for you?
Classes, yes, Sriram, I could listen, but I feel because I think first time Rahul will be posting a message saying that you study these many pages and come attend the classes, right? That's very important. I felt, which I had not done it. I think he said before first class some chapters you have to finish. Only that I had done. So I think if at all anybody who's willing to take classes, right, I feel it's better you study before the class what you're going to explain, right? Then you're able to more relate, and you'll get more doubts, and that also you can get clarified in the class. So that will be a good. Yeah.
True, true. But what happened with the busy packed schedule?
Correct. Yeah, it's going to be very difficult.
When they
Correct.
try to, they feel sleepy. So that's the problem. You open the book, it's
Yes.
like, oh man, it's killing me.
Yes. Correct.
That's how the content is nice. So if you want to give some tips to the people, what all you want to tell?
It's like it depends on everybody. I think I told you earlier also that I got scared after listening to a success story, right? One of them, wherein one person had completed read so many books, wherein I was so scared. Like, I mean, after this many days, I couldn't finish one book completely. So that kind of a fear will always be there when you listen to when other people speak. But I think every people will have their different, their own plan. They have to
Right.
go as per that. I
Exactly.
think the direction what we get from you is very important. Like you say that you finish Agile Practice Guide once, you finish this Rita book once, that is enough. So this is what you have told, right? That is very important. Because if we get into if we get tensed, and if we try to read so many books, right, that's going to be difficult.
Yeah,
Because it may not even benefit to us. We will get tensed more because every book may explain concept in a different way. So we may confuse ourselves also.
even today, I have every batch, I have 5, 10 people. They
Mhm.
will browse all YouTube, all blogs, all the friends. After 3 months, they'll come back to me. Sriram, what you said is right. That's enough. You lost 3 months in between, man. So some people see the variety of people, right? Some go to one
Correct.
textile store, choose one dress, come out. Some will
Mhm.
go to 5 stores, again come to the same store. By the time the store will be closed, sir, time over. So
Yeah, correct.
some people like rightly what you said. I remember you said one of the guy explained. I read all the books. If you remember.
Yeah, I couldn't sleep properly at that night. How will I pass the exam now was a question to me.
Right? Some scary guys. Anyway, that's their style. Also, not many people are reading only for certification. Some of
Correct.
them reading to get the so depth of knowledge. For them, that's right. If they'll tell that I don't want to write exam 3 months, I'll write exam in 8 months. So I'll read depth and go for it. That's also a good approach at a one sense.
Correct. But I also felt that how much of a book you read, when we actually attempt the questions, right, we understand the concept more clearly. So more than that, I would prefer than sitting and reading the books, right? I would prefer, I think this is your words only what I'm repeating. So it is like you take more mocks as much as possible, then I think you'll really understand the concept very well.
Perfectly said. Perfect. In fact, reading is enough.
Mhm.
But problem here is when you read one time, you feel you're not understood. Uh,
Correct.
when from chapter 1 to chapter 7, if you come, you will think that I forgot chapter 2, 3, 4, what I read. It is not in my
Correct.
memory. That's a feel we get. But when you take a test, it'll all automatically connect.
Correct. Correct. Yeah.
The brain is programmed like that. It has the data, but we have a fear. Oh my God, we don't remember it. But it remembers it. It's a funny and create crazy stuff.
Correct.
Anyway, you did a good job here, and thanks for giving the tips, and thanks for coming up here and giving your thoughts. How is your corporate looking into that after you get to certified? Are you getting different roles? Are you seeing growth?
Yeah, my manager is very happy. He's the one who wanted me to complete the PMP as soon as possible. So
Wow.
as soon as I completed, I called him and I told that I did. So he was also surprised. How did you complete it so early? Yeah, and he also started explaining that I've seen so many people who were in the program management for so long years, but they were literally struggling to finish the PMP certification in one go. So he was very happy with my
So he
yeah
put your
performance.
callers up. Hey guys, I'm
Yes,
coming
yes.
there. Get ready my
Yeah.
promotion.
Yeah.
Anyway, that's good. The more important thing is you have to apply back. That's
Correct, correct. Yeah,
what
that's
you
true.
learn, you have to apply. If not within week, they'll forget it. Only when you apply, they'll feel, oh, she's coming from there where she learned. Right? That's important.
Correct,
Super.
correct.
Great. So thanks, Anisha, and coming up here and giving some valuable inputs. And thanks to all the viewers watching these videos and giving your likes and comments to Anisha. And I'm sure she gave some point. She gave very clearly, don't overdo. Read books, take 5 practice exams, straight away go to exam, clear and come back. Don't confuse too much, right? That's an interesting point from her. And how much your family supported, Anisha, for the exams?
Yeah, that's very much needed. I have a 4-year son. He was asking me every day whether your exam is over, whether your exam is over. So the day I finished the exam, he was very, very happy. So I got my mom back over the weekends now. And
Uh,
weekdays, anyways, I used to study after he sleeps. So that was not impacted. But weekends were yeah, difficult.
he would have scolded me very badly. This is the guy spoiled. Weekend exam preparation. Some of the homes they play my video, they see me and say, "This is the guy spoiled my mom, dad." Mom giving reading habits. Anyway, it's a good inspiration for the kids, right? To see how
Correct,
you are working and preparing.
correct.
Wait, specifically, many mom role is not easy. Having a kid and it's something different. What to say? Energy level needed.
Yes, yes,
You can't be a
correct.
project manager. You have to be a portfolio manager. Then only you can handle multiple things. Good. Super. Thanks a lot, Anisha. Have a good time and keep applying what you learned and keep growing in your career more.
Yeah, sure, Shriram. Yeah.